People are often surprised at what happens when they learn that the other driver doesn't have insurance. If you're hit by a driver who does not have insurance, in Louisiana we consider that an uninsured motorist, a motorist without insurance. And it's a very unfortunate situation to find yourself in, but it happens all throughout Louisiana, and Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Lafayette, every town in Louisiana is full of drivers with no insurance. So if that were to happen to you, you'd have to look to your own insurance policy for coverage. Now, in Louisiana, it is mandatory that we carry what's called liability coverage. That is the coverage that we have if we hurt a member of the community. That's required by the state of Louisiana, but not everybody follows the law and has that, okay? On your insurance policy, what is not required in Louisiana is that you cover yourself. We're required to cover the public. We're not required to cover ourselves. However, you should cover yourself because of the number of uninsured motorists in Louisiana. The types of coverages on your own insurance policy that you would look to if you do get hit by somebody without insurance would be coverage called uninsured motorist. It speaks for itself, so I got hit by somebody without insurance. That pays for pain and suffering and medical bills. Another coverage that you can have on your own policy to protect yourself would be MedPay coverage, medical payments coverage. That is coverage that will pay for medical bills only. It will not pay for wages, and it will not pay for pain and suffering. Another type of coverage that you would want to have in your own insurance policy in the event you get hit by an uninsured motorist would be collision coverage. That's coverage for your own vehicle that you can use to fix your car or total your car if you're hit by somebody who didn't have insurance to cover it. So while those are not mandatory coverages in Louisiana, they're coverages that you should have in the event that you're hit by somebody who doesn't have insurance. If you find yourself in a predicament where you've been hit by a motorist that does not have insurance, call us here at Dudley DeBosier and we'll be happy to review the situation, review the issues, and see if we can't find coverage on your behalf. You may still have options even if the other driver is not insured. I'm attorney Amber Lorio, and here at Dudley DeBosier, we're here for Louisiana and we're here for you.